Traffic Crash, the traffic generated software for social networking platforms, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Now we are going to see about Instagram. Instagram, where you can just generate traffic using your own accounts. Clicking on accounts, where you can just add your new Instagram account to our application. Click on add account, enter the username, password, and the proxy. It's an optional, but if you update the proxy, it will be great, which avoid the blockage from the Instagram. Once you added the Instagram accounts, you can see the total followers for your account, following, and the post, and what are the message you have sent from our application for queue, sent, and failed. Now users is nothing more than the targeted audience for your Instagram accounts. You can just create a new list. You can add the users by individually, or you can click on search targeted users. For example, click on SEO, click on search icon. You can see all the Instagram username for SEOs. Just select all, add to the list, and update the list name is SEO traffic, and update the list. Once you have created the list, you can just see it has been updated in the menu SEO traffic added on December 30th, and it has 22 user accounts. Once you have updated the users, then you can create a messages where you can create a list for messages. The message name can be SEO campaign new message. And if you SEO campaign message, you can just add one message, or you can add more than one or two messages, or you can add more than up to 10 messages. It will be reach our targeted audience in a interval time. Just type any messages like SEO offer services, one message, or you can just add another message, 20% of discount. Clicking on add list, this SEO campaign message list has been added with 2 messages of count. Once you have done, click on send message. You can see the following tabs: user list, followers, following, and the direct contacted. Select your account. You can select the message type, list of messages. Select the user list, can be SEO traffic, and you can just select the message list, SEO campaign message. And I also created other messages like great new followers or some try to keep unfollow something. So I'm select SEO campaign message, and I can send slow 25 message per day or medium 50 per messages per day, fast 100 messages per day. And I can also create a custom text like wish you a happy new year or something like that, or I can like all the users from the SEO traffic list, and I can search using an hashtag. I can send a photo, or I can send a video, or I can send a post for the targeted audience. The followers is similarly for the accounts you are following. You can send a list of message, or you can send a custom text, or you can send a like, or you can send a hashtag, or you can send photos and video or post. Similarly, it works for following and direct contacted. Autopilot is nothing more like scheduling and messages for your targeted audience. Clicking on add autopilot, where you can create new autopilot saying SEO traffic autopilot. You can just select the periods from which dates and which date end. You can select a custom, you can select from the message list, or you can do a custom text message, and you can add autopilot. This will be added to our application. Direct messenger is nothing like you can just chat with other Instagram accounts which has been added in your account, like who is online and who is offline. You can just directly chat with them. And this our Instagram works for traffic crash platform. Now we are going to see how Twitter is going to work. Twitter is very similar where you can just add your accounts, which is quite important. You can just click on add account and you need to authorize the app. Once it has been added, you can see what is the tweets and who is the followers and who is the following, and traffic crash is a new, so we don't have bunch of tweets, just a number showing on this. Now you can click on create a new tweet where you can just tweet with the photos, or you can just add as a text, or you can create a video by selecting that Twitter account. You can also schedule your tweets by clicking on schedule, select the date and time, and these will be listed on scheduled tweet. You can see the scheduled tweets like traffic crash is the account name and photo is the type and caption and created date, published and published successfully. Now we are going to see the most important feature is like tweet automation. What is tweet automation? Where you can follow, auto follow and auto unfollow and auto retweet and auto like and auto direct messages other Twitter accounts by using your Twitter account. Just click on auto follow. Select your account. You can just select the hashtag or from username, anything else. You can just select the hashtag. You can add the hashtags like SEO. You can just speed the request, auto, slow, medium, fast, and you can just save. It will automatically follow those Twitter accounts the tags that you have chosen. Similarly, it will work for auto unfollow, retweet, like, and auto direct messages. If you click on auto retweet, select your account, it will automatically work on it. Now we are going to see about search tweet. Search tweets is the most important feature where you can just search using keywords. Select your account and type SEO and click on search. Going to display all the Twitter accounts using the keywords SEO, and this is where, and you can just see the recent tweet and who is the followers, followings and tweets used and what is the location. These are the tweets works on our traffic crash software. Now we are going to see about YouTube. YouTube, where you can generate the auto video created, will create a YouTube video in fraction of seconds. This is not going to take you 1 or 2 minutes for creating a video. Now we see how to create a video using the images from your desktop. Just select the photos, select the images what you want to upload. I'm going to select some of the Pixabay API images and I'm just clicking on upload photos. The photos is going to upload. It will take you few minutes. Yeah, it hasn't uploaded. See, now you can just add some text. Just select the audio file if you want, or you can just select not. If you don't want to select an audio file, and you click on create video. The video will be created in 1 to 2 minutes. You can see the progress is making on it. 9%, 16%, and it is 20, and it's 25 now. See, you can select unlimited images. You can just add a 20 or 30 or images. You can just create a video. You can add the captions. You can generate a video and you can upload it in the YouTube. Don't require any technical knowledges for creating a video. That's a very specialty of our traffic crash software in YouTube. Promote your service as a video in a fraction of a second. Uploading video. Just share it as a link in your other social networking platforms. Generate the traffic on it. It is almost 80 now. We are just waiting for another 20%. Okay, it is 85. It's quick. Now 91, and it is 96. And we have done. Now the video is ready. You can just click on play to save the video. See, the video is displaying fine. Now you can download the video by clicking on download. It will be downloaded here. Then you can just start uploading on your YouTube. Now YouTube research. YouTube research is nothing where you can get the information from their video id. Just copy the video id, you can see it here, just paste it, click on get info. You can see the title of that video and you can see the tags and you can see which video it was. You can just download the tags and keywords. If you search for any SEO related videos or any other business from which has much more tags and keywords, you can copy their video id and paste it here, take the keywords and use it for your video, which will be a traffic generation once again. Now click on YouTube tags. YouTube tags have two features. One is YouTube keywords and another is search engine keywords. YouTube keywords is nothing, it will give you the suggestion for your keyword, for example SEO, and this is going to list you the list of suggestions and you can view those videos on the view channels. And SEO and SEO, how to rank in Google, those are the keywords which has been listed here. Now we are going to see other search engine suggestions like Google, Bing, Yahoo, Wiki, Amazon. We'll just type SEO and click on start searching, and you can see the suggestions that has been listed from Amazon and Google and Wiki. Now YouTube auditor is like generating an audit report for your channel. Just click on your generate audit report, type your channel id, analyze it, you can see the channel audit and what is the ranking is 34. It's very low. So why it is there? Because there is no channel description, no channel keywords, no channel art, no future channels, and yes, it has titles, it has description tags, but there is no video accessibility and there is no subscribers comments. This helps the channel to generate the keywords and description, and the score will be increased where the traffic will be more for that particular channels. Now the most common feature is like Image Studio, where it has image editor and image finder in our three or applications, where the images can be edited by uploading it using our image editor. You can just upload your photo, you can just upload any photo. For example, I'm uploading this images. Okay, let's see, let's get some images. Okay, I'm uploading these images and I can edit it using any text like email or something. I can use the color picker or I can change the font or something, and I can save it as an image. Now I'm going to use image finder, where I can find free images, royalty free images using our API key. Once again, image finder like picks up API. Click on SEO, just search it. It is going to display all the images, where I can just download these images. I can just put it on my YouTube to create a video, or I can just use it for a Instagram to create Instagram or Twitter to post it, or tweet it, anything else you can just use on it. These are our complete 3 social networking platforms: Instagram, Twitter and YouTube is works. Please let me know if you have more questions. Thank you.